Everybody, this is Select FOTL. One boxer, random teams. Good luck, guys. Let's do the randoms. I'll grab the box afterwards. Good luck. Dice roll got to be ace, deuce, or higher. We're going 6. The easy way. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final 6. 6 times. Let me send out the email real quick because I forgot to do that. All right. Good luck. On the team random, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final 6. There it is. We went 6 times on the team, 6 times on the names. Dice roll said 6. Let's see who got what. Let's see who got what. If there's any trades, any sell-offs, please let me know right away. And if not, good luck, guys. What's up, Taylor? No, I'm not, brother. It's gonna be daytime deck and backer. You guys are gonna fly tomorrow. You guys are absolutely gonna fly. Good luck, guys. Do we have any trades or anything like that? I'll be on baseball tomorrow night, guys. This is probably one of the last breaks tonight right here. Good luck. FOTL. Good luck. Alright, guess the number to 7 or Tiger. We'll do it for 15. Everybody guess. Go. Quickly. Quickly. We haven't seen Select in a good minute. Guess the number to 7 or Tiger. Good for 15, guys. Let's do some guesses. Darb got Zamir. Darb got Zamir first from what I can see. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, Seki. Good luck, guys. Darb, Dow, everybody. Logan Hall and Kyler Gordon. Olave. Silver of Skylar Thompson. King Henry. Romeo Dobbs on the silver. Kenneth Walker and Emerson, silver. I have an orange. This is, oh yeah, it is the guess. It is. Nobody would have got it. The 7 for the Bengals, excuse me, Browns. Bengals. Away to Cali with the Mixon. I don't think anybody got Joe Mixon. We do have XRC. All right. I like that. Let's finish this off real quick and then we'll show it. Miles Sanders on the silver. Dak. Silver of Rondell Moore and Jones. Ferguson on the maroon. Ferguson. Asamoah on the silver. Kerry Joseph. Tyron Williams, rookie. Olave, silver. Mosley. Nice. CeeDee Lamb to 75 on the white patch for the boys. J. Pribbs. Robinson. Purple of Sanborn. Lamjack silver. Algier, come on. Runyan on the blue. For the Packers. Juju. Daxton Hill. Wow. Wow. We get 4 autos out of this box. Isaiah Spiller for the Chargers on the blue. Chargers. And Nas gets in there. Nice Isaiah Spiller. We have a redemption and an XRC still left. Good luck. Kind of forget my XRCs already, to be honest with you. Oh, well, I mean, technically 3 autos and an XRC. I'm sorry. I always think XRCs is an auto. Not a mystery auto. It's just a regular XRC. No, yeah, oh. Wait. No, I mean, it has to be a mystery auto for the XRC autos, right? Or am I wrong? All right, let's do the XRC first. Good luck. XRC Silver Redemption. Ooh, is that a Saint? I believe that's a Saint. Who has the Saints? QB6 for the Saints. I believe it's the Saints, right? Seki, I believe that's you. I don't have my list anymore. Wait, let me see if I still got my list. I forget. Yeah, it is. It's Jake Hayner. Seki is on the board. Seki with the Saints. With the QB6 redemption. I said Seki. And our redemption, good luck. Could be a Purdy. Could be. Oh, this is the neon orange pole. I forgot we have the RPA. Ooh, that's sick. How about a Garrett Wilson for the Jets? Brian Holm. That was a good box. That was good. The autos are solid. Nice auto on that, on the Wilson. Now, it was the number to 7. Joe Mixon was the guess. Number to 7 or Tiger. That was the guess. It was Joe Mixon. All right, hey, that was a solid box. I take that. That was a solid box. I'll take it. That was solid. I'll take that. Garrett Wilson auto to 25 or to 30, excuse me. Seki with the QB6 and Isaiah Spiller. That was pretty good. I'll take that, guys.